Happy day, students. So this is second chapter of class 10th. Chapter name is algorithm and flowchart. Okay, so the topics covered over here will be algorithm, role in problem solving, pseudocode, flowchart, and programming practices. So hearing the word algorithm, there is nothing to worry. Algorithm is just, it will be a written steps of what you're going to do. Let me put an example at the beginning to make you familiarize with what is algorithm. Now I want to buy something from a shop. So what will be the first initial step I'll be doing? I'll be taking my purse, going out of my home with vehicle, transportation will be there. I'll reach over there. Once I reach, if I want to buy a pen, I will go inside the shop, check the varieties of pen, look into my, what is my budget. If I am planning for a 5 rupees pen, what are the varieties of 5 rupees pen available. Then if there's one I like is available, I will take it, I will go bill it and pay the fair amount. If I am giving 10 rupee and the pen is only for 5 rupees, so balance I have to collect, and then I have to come back, take the item and then come back to the home. So here I am telling you step by step that I am starting from home, then I am taking my purse, taking transport, reaching the place. So steps. Similarly, algorithm is also same thing, that you will be writing step by step of a problem or how to analyze and understand a problem. Okay, now why do we need an algorithm? Algorithm is basically required because computer is a versatile machine, right? It's able to perform many tasks, but there should be someone who tells him how to do it, right? For that we use programmers, and programmers are writing programs, right? So now before writing the program, the programmer can write and see the algorithm, because computers after all a machine. If there is a small mistake in the logic which you tell it to it will perform it wrongly 100 times. If you run it also, it will show you the same error if it's a logical issue. Fine. I mean, in fact, you can say only whatever you taught to it, it will grasp. It will not use its brain because it is upper. At the end, it is a machine, right? Okay. Now, so on the screen you can see one algorithm that I'm going to, if I'm going to percentage of marks of 5 subjects. So first, how will I do? If I want marks percentage, first I have to find the total. If I have to find the total, I have to get the marks of each subject. So first step will be start, and always in algorithm last step will be stop. So first step you will be writing start, then read the marks of 5 subjects. Okay, once you read it, you have to store it somewhere, right? And then you will add it. If I'm giving you 5 marks, what will you do? You will first write in a paper, or you will mind calculate it and find the sum. Then what you will do? The sum will be divided by the total number of marks. If one paper is 100 and I'm asking you 500, right? Then you will multiply it by 100, which will give you the percentage and the print the answer. Yes. So this is the way you count, right? So now we are seeing what is algorithm. So algorithm is a process or set of rules to be followed in calculation to other problem solving. So there are some there are features of algorithms are there. First thing is each instruction should be very simple. Yes. Secondly, steps of algorithm should finally be executed by the computer. Each instruction should be executed within a reasonable time. And fourth point is it should finite number of steps should be involved. Okay, and then you will get the result. Next, we are going to see what are the rules in problem solving. Yeah. So basically, you will be writing step by step. Then you will make a major decision, and the variable necessary to solve the problems will be same. There are 3 concepts. What we say it as sequence, decision, and repetition. So what is sequence? Sequence means a step of statements that are executed in sequence. They are written like first start, then you will read the number. So in the same sequence, in the order, it will happen. Second is decision making. So I am telling you that only if the pen's value was equal to 5 or less than 5, I need to purchase, else I can come back from the shop. That was a decision made. And repetition construct is like there was 10 pens in the shop. My budget is 5. So every pen I have to go through and check what is the amount for that pen, and then I have to. So this is repeated action, right? So that is repetition. Yeah. Now the second point is pseudocode. Pseudocode, why is it? Actually, when we are, it is non-executable code, like what will I say, in C or something, for putting a comment. If now I'm doing a programming and I'm the person who did the programming, I want my friend to understand the program on what basic or logic I have written the program. What I will do, I'll just put a comment next to it. That, so what was the logic used? So that is a pseudocode. That code will never get executed. So we call it also as a false code. In the coding it is there, but it is not used for coding or execution, right? Next we have to say is flowchart. Okay, so I think flowchart I'll cover. Flowchart and the things are the second topic. So algorithm and flowchart, algorithm I have completed. Yes, so flowchart I'll cover in the next chapter, in the next video.